What if your phone could literally pay you every day? Today, I'm sharing 10 legit apps that pay you daily. No scams, no nonsense, just real cash. Number 10. Swag Bucks. Take quick surveys, watch videos, or shop online and get paid in PayPal cash or gift cards every single day. Number 9. Inbox Dollars. It pays for doing things you already do, like reading emails, watching ads, and completing offers. Simple and steady income. Number 8. Sweatcoin. Yes, get paid to walk. Every step you take earns coins you can redeem for PayPal cash or rewards. Number 7. Fiverr. Offer your skills, writing, design, or voiceovers, and withdraw your earnings daily once orders are completed. Number 6. Upwork. Freelance clients pay directly to your account, and once approved, you can cash out daily with a connected payment method. Number 5. Rakuten. Shop through the app and they literally give you cash back. The more you buy, the more you earn. Number 4. TikTok Rewards. Watch short videos and invite friends. Earn points that you can convert into real money daily. Number 3. Gigwalk. Get paid for small local tasks, like checking prices in stores. Each gig pays instantly after approval. Number 2. Field Agent. Take photos, complete brand checks, or product surveys. Get paid straight to your PayPal account daily. And number 1. Payoneer tasks or micro work. These micro job apps pay small amounts for quick online work, and you can withdraw daily once you hit the minimum. Try one or try them all. Your phone could be your next income stream. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making app lists.